In today's video, I'll show you how to create viral motivational videos that get millions of views. You probably know those motivational videos with famous personalities like Joe Rogan, Mike Tyson, or David Goggins. These channels simply use the material from podcasts or interviews. Don't do it. But does that work? Yes, indeed it does. But there is a huge catch. These channels are not getting monetized. You can also get into trouble for copyright. With the method I am going to show you, you can still go viral and don't have to worry about that. There are channels that do it like this, and they get millions of views. Here are just two examples to give you an idea, one for YouTube and one on TikTok. We will reverse engineer these channels so you can see step by step what needs to be done. Are you ready? I'm now going to show you how you can create a motivational YouTube or TikTok channel that doesn't infringe any copyright and can therefore be monetized. Watch the video to the end, it's worth it. Alright, let's get started. The first thing we need is a good script, and ChatGPT is very helpful in this regard. In motivational videos, aggressive motivational quotes work particularly well. I asked ChatGPT to provide 10 different motivational speeches, each 100 words long and aggressive. As you can see, I received some great results. I'm even having trouble deciding, but let's go with burn the ships. This is our text. Retreat is not an option. You're here to win, and there's no going back. Burn the ships that tie you to comfort. Comfort kills ambition. The only way is forward, through the pain, through the grind, through the obstacles. Weakness, eliminate it. Distractions, destroy them. You have no safety net, no excuses. Stand tall, push harder, and attack with everything you've got. Victory doesn't come to the timid. It comes to warriors who refuse to surrender. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Next, we need a text-to-speech service. 11 Labs is the best choice because the voices sound very realistic. I open 11 Labs and first go to Voices to select a suitable voice. I click on the library. We want an American English accent and are looking for a professional male voice with an older age, hoping to find a deep voice. Let's listen to a few samples. On the right, you can see how many users each voice has, which is a good indicator.
Let me tell you what my grandpa told me when I was just 6 years old.
Just because it happened what seems like a lifetime ago.
Picture, if you will,
Ignite your passion, chase the stars, and dance with uncertainty.
I think we have found our voice. It even mentions motivational coach and is perfect for motivational videos. I will select that one. Now we copy and paste our text. We check if the motivational coach voice is selected. For model, stability, similarity, and style exaggeration, we keep the default settings. We now click on Generate Speech and wait for the result. Next, we need a suitable video. Pixabay is an excellent resource for this. You can download royalty-free stock videos that are not copyright protected. Enter your search term here and click Enter. We will search for lion videos. It currently shows only images. We need to click on Videos to find what we want. Since we are creating a TikTok video or a short for YouTube, we need to select the vertical format. As the video may last a bit longer, you sometimes require more video content. I will now download a few suitable videos. You can also download horizontal videos, since there are usually more options available. I'll show you how to convert those into a vertical format in our next step. Great, we've downloaded enough videos. Let's move on to the next step, where the magic happens. Now we have everything we need and can start editing. We will use CapCut for this because it is the easiest tool in my opinion. I will now import all these files. After importing, I will click on Add to Track. As I mentioned earlier, we need to transform the horizontal videos into vertical format. It's not a problem. We can easily move them up and down using the mouse cursor. We will do the same with the other videos. If you want, you can change the order. The best video should be the first one to grab the attention. Now we can insert our audio track to check if the length matches. Okay, it's a bit too long, so I will shift each video slightly to the left until we have the same length at the end. That should work. Next, I will adjust the videos to give them a more appealing layout. We can use the CapCut filters. I find that the mono filter works relatively well. Let's try a few out. This one looks nice. I will select this filter and then apply it by dragging it to the right place on the bar, so it applies to all videos. It already looks significantly better, but I will enhance it further by clicking on Adjustments. I will adjust the exposure and pull it further to the left. Click to apply to all. You can experiment here what looks best for you. Now let's add captions. This works automatically in CapCut. Simply click on Text, then on Auto Captions, and next on Generate. We will now position the captions in the center and select a more suitable style from the templates. This one looks great, we will keep it. As you can see, the contrast isn't good and the text is hard to read. To improve that, we will reduce the opacity. To do that, click on Video, then scroll down to Blend and change the opacity to about 75%. That looks much better and provides a better atmosphere. We will also add a filter. It is really up to you which one you use. I like this black noise filter. We are almost done. The only thing that is missing is the music. You can pick great music for free on YouTube Studio or from the TikTok library. In this case, I will use a sound from Upbeat. Now we only have to export our video and upload it to YouTube or TikTok. Repeat this daily and your chances are good that your content goes viral. That's it for today, guys. I see you in the next video. Enjoy the final video.
Burn the ships. Retreat is not an option. You're here to win, and there's no going back. Burn the ships that tie you to comfort. Comfort kills ambition. The only way is forward, through the pain, through the grind, through the obstacles. Weakness? Eliminate it. Distractions? Destroy them. You have no safety net, no excuses. Stand tall, push harder, and attack with everything you've got. Victory doesn't come to the timid. It comes to warriors who refuse to surrender.